Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today I'll show you how to edit the photo. I've got some picture at the afternoon and I'm just opening it up, dragging and dropping. This one is a NIF file, the Nikon image file, that is the raw format. And if you open this raw format in your Photoshop at first, it will open in the camera raw. Okay, and it will show all the configuration of your image, the bitrate and the megapixels and then the camera model. I'm just pressing open image and it will open. This one is our model for today, and then I'll show you how to edit this one. And I'll show you some basic things of camera raw and the Google Link collection and the face retouching. So keep watching. And now I'll copy this one. After that I'll go to the camera raw filter and camera raw filter, and now I will adjust the color over there. I will add some the contrast, the exposure, highlight. I will reduce the highlight of the picture, and shadow. I'll add some shadow, give some the color. Okay, I want to say one thing. I have used the extra light over there in this face light, which is Godox 8600, and I have made a video or review about that. You can watch that. Okay, after that I'll go to the camera calibration, and then I'll reduce, just making it the hue option, and then just saturate it. Okay, and go to the next option, this option, and reduce the orange, and just increase the luminance. Can increase the red also, saturation red, and after that go to the luminance of blue and reduce the blue option, aqua also, and green, saturate the green, hue, greenish hue, and I want to just reduce the saturations, green. Okay, hit OK. This one is our previous image and this one is present image, and then I will retouch the face of the model, and then I have to copy this one by pressing Ctrl J, and then I'll go to the filter, then the portrait filter. I'll give the download link of this filter. Okay, then I'll go to the default option at first, then I'll just go the sharpness of the model and the smoothness of the model. I'll increase the sharpness, and then I will give some brightness the face, and tint. What is tint? If you just reduce the tint, it will go to the reddish, and if you increase the tint, it will go to the yellowish. And the warm, I'll decrease the warm tone and increase some brightness. Okay, I think this is enough, and decrease the softness, and I will just increase the threshold and hit OK. I don't want to change the whole picture of the tone over there, and for that I'll make it mask, and I'll make it inverse mask, and I only just change this area, and I'll mask it and keep it white when it is black, and take a brush, take the first one brush, and keep the hardness 0%, and decrease the brush size, which is by pressing the third bracket opening, and just brush on your model. brush on your screen. Decrease the size and brush this area. Okay, after that increase the brush size and brush the area of the skin. This one is mainly for the smooth skin. Just making it smooth, lighter. Okay, after that I'll just make a group by pressing Ctrl G and press and make a layer. Okay, this one is our previous image and this one is now the present image. And after that I'll make a copy of this photo and make a overlay option and go to the edit option, the fill option, and then the gray, 50% gray. Okay, then I'll add the burn and dodge option. Burn for the blackish, like that, blackish. Dodge option. Okay, I want to make it the black and make it. I'm selected the burn option. The shadow will be prominent in the picture. I want to give the burn over there and also in the lips of the model. Okay, in this area it will be prominent, and I'll add some dodge option, the white portion of the eyes for the whiteness. Okay, and also in this face. And this option also. Okay, that's good. And now I'll make another group by pressing Ctrl G and make it another single layer, and turn off the group and turn on the single layer, and I'll go to the filter and then camera raw filter, and then give some, that's good. After that I will increase all the saturation, all the color saturation only for the red one. I'll give it 5, and the orange one 5, yellow 5, green 5, aqua, blue, magenta, purples, all the 5. And then luminance, I'll reduce the luminance of the red and also the yellow, green. Okay, after that I'll reduce the exposure and give some contrast and give some highlight and shadow also, white and black, and make it blackish. Give some exposure and clarity 13%. Give some sharpness, and after that I'll give some luminance and hit OK. After that I'll go to the color lookup option and add some the horror blue and reduce the hollow view option. Okay, and I'll go to the hue saturation option, hue and saturation option, reduce the hue saturation a little bit, -3 is enough. Okay, I'll go to the file option and place embedded. I'll take a light from my light collection, I'll keep this light in this area and make it the skin color. Okay, that's good. Here is some border, that's why I'll make it resterize the layer and filter, and go to the blur option, make it the Gaussian blur a little bit. Okay, my processing is done almost, that's why I'll go to the level and increase some level a little bit. Okay, then I'll go to the curve and increase some shadow, the curve, and before that I'll make a single or blank layer and make the gradient from this area. And I'll adjust level again. Okay, and make copy all the layers and make it a group. To that, go to the filter, camera raw filter, and I have to add some, reduce some highlight and add some shadows, add some exposure and blackish also. Okay, hit OK, and then go to the filter and the Nick collection. I will use the Color Efex Pro 4, and here is some the color which is the cyan blue, or the color filter. Actually we are using the color filter from that collection. I'll choose which one I will use. I think this one is good, and hit OK. It's actually taking time. After that I'll add my logo, which is the ASM Arif, the left side of the photographs, and hit OK, and restylize this one. Go to the blending option and make it color overlay and increase the color overlay. Okay, hit OK. And levels also, I'll go to level again for increasing some color like that. Okay. Thank you so much, thanks for watching, and let's see what was our previous image. This one is now, we are watching this image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.